Hello San Diego, I'm back for our fourth and final segment of my tips and tricks for a successful virtual site experience. From the first three segments, we now know how to best prepare for a virtual site. We know how to flawlessly execute a virtual site, and we even know how to create a customized pre-recorded virtual site. But is there a way to enhance these sites? We know how to wow our clients in person, but how do we translate that virtually? So in this last segment, I'm going to share with you a few simple tricks that can help step up your virtual site game. And it all starts with personalizing. Personalizing the site is an excellent way to help build that connection between the client and you and your property. One of the easiest ways to do this is by displaying the client's logo during the site. We do this in person. Why wouldn't we do this virtually? Have it displayed with a gobo or on the digital screens in the meeting space. Include it with the introduction or conclusion of the site. You could even have it printed on a shirt to wear during the site. This is a great way to show the different branding opportunities on the property. Have the meeting space set to the client's specifications, or have photos of those specific sets to share during the site. This will help the client get a really good sense for their meeting space. Invite the other team members in, introduce them to the client so that they can talk about the client's program. Bring in the chef to talk about the food and beverage program or throw around some fun and creative culinary ideas. Maybe even do a brief chef's demonstration. And invite a member of the CSM and events team in and introduce them to the client as the team that's going to make your client's program a success. And you want to bring a little bit of your personality into the site. Let the client get to know you. You want to be yourself, be your best self, but also don't be afraid to have a little fun with it. Tell the client what you love on or around the property. Maybe tell a little story. You want to speak professionally but naturally, like you're having a conversation with the client. Get to know each other and help develop that personal relationship. And show the personality of the property. What makes your property special? What unique factors are going to be favorable to the client's program? And showcase that. What fun things are going to make for a memorable experience for the client during the site and for their attendees during their stay? Industry partners. I've mentioned several times throughout these segments of how impactful it is to have your team members join your virtual site. But what about incorporating some of our industry partners to create a really special experience? Invite your preferred DMC, entertainment, or team building partner to showcase what they're capable of. And it's tough to beat San Diego when it comes to off-site venues, attractions, and activities. So if you think any of these the client will either utilize or appreciate, include them. Many of our San Diego industry partners are excited to participate in virtual sites and for the opportunity to show off what they can do and what we can offer here in San Diego. Speaking of San Diego, we want to share interesting information about the destination by speaking about the neighborhoods and San Diego. So think about the attendees' experience and describe what that'll be like to your client. What attractions, activities, restaurants, and nightlife will the attendees enjoy? What will the attendees love to do in their free evenings and pre and post the meeting? Even think about the time of year and dates of the meeting so you can share some events that may be taking place during that time. Then show photos and videos of the neighborhoods and fun things to do during the virtual site. In the last segment, I shared with you how I create customized pre-recorded videos. You can create your own video of your hotel's surrounding neighborhoods to share during the site. And be sure to utilize our SDTA member toolkit with marketing materials with our current campaigns, videos, photo library, and logos. There's a lot of fun and valuable elements to add to your virtual site. And remember, people love to visit San Diego, so let's remind your clients why. Sending a site gift. Mailing the client something special ahead of time to enjoy during the virtual site can create a real wow. But make sure that what you're sending is appropriate, that it's something that the client's going to enjoy, and something that represents your property or San Diego. Confirm where the client will be during the virtual site. Will they be working from home or back in the office? And if you're sending food, think about any food restrictions, food allergies, and dietary preferences. Now, if you want to invite your on-property mixologist on the call to create a cool cocktail during the virtual site, think about if sending alcohol is appropriate. If your virtual site is in the morning and the clients are in the office, maybe consider sending a fun mocktail instead. Well, I hope these few enhancement ideas will help you create outstanding virtual sites. But just remember that the most important elements to a truly successful virtual site are to be prepared, to understand your client's needs and expectations, and to know how to execute the virtual site. Now, I am so excited for us all to continue to showcase our amazing properties in vibrant city, whether that's virtually or in person, with our exceptional site experiences, and to remind our clients that they will find their smile in San Diego.